In this video I'll walk you through the setup of the Facelift Power Pole with trigger and how to use it. Here are the items that come in the bundle. Firstly, we're going to insert the hose through the pole's interior. Be sure to take the base plate off and feed the pole hose through it, remembering to slip it back on once you've fed the hose all the way through. We want the connector that has the exposed thread to be at the top of the pole. Next, we're going to slide the trigger over the phantom carbon pole. Be sure to loosen the bolt at the top of the trigger's clamps to avoid scraping the surface of your phantom pole. We have also used some silicone spray to ease friction when sliding over the pole. The best place to position the trigger would be about a quarter way up from the bottom. Now attach the spray nozzle adapter to the hose. Simply twist until tight and then tweak with a spanner to finally tighten. Slide into the top section, then pull the clamp shut. Now attach the spray nozzle adapter to the hose. Simply twist until tight and then tweak with a spanner to finally tighten. As there's a number of different pressure washers, we supply 3 optional adapters. If none of these fit, it's worth getting in touch with the company who bought your pressure washer off. To attach a jet washer connector, simply screw the thread until hand tight. Then using the corresponding spanner, tighten it up. When attaching the roof cleaning jet nozzle to the pole, make sure the attachment is firmly inserted. It should move around horizontally, but shouldn't vertically detach from the pole, unless the adapter sleeve is pulled down. Here is the 14-inch Whirl Away surface cleaner. We offer this also in a stainless steel, as well as a 12-inch stainless steel version. You will need a pressure washer to get to work, along with a large container for your water. Using it will be a bit different to your standard water-fed work. Expect to feel some kickback from the jet nozzle. If your spray nozzle is loose, then there is a bolt on the side that can be tightened using an Allen key, as shown here. Be aware that the pressure can strip paint if too high. It's best to start at a lower pressure and build up. Pull the trigger and aim at the desired area to be cleaned. When in use, the pole's weight should be eased from the pressured water. Here you can just see how effective the power pole was on this tough built-up dirt. As you can see here, the Whirl Away is suited to this application. It makes light work of flat surfaces, whereas the jet nozzle has a more concentrated spray, finding its way easily between uneven surfaces. So there we have the power pole. Purchase your kit today at www.windowcleaningwarehouse.co.uk. Thanks for watching.